On the first day of Christmas, the children sang this song. At the Christmas celebration, on the second day of Christmas, the children sang this song to the baby king at the Christmas celebration. On the third day of Christmas, the children sang this song. 3 children sing to the baby king at the Christmas celebration. On the fourth day of Christmas, the children sang this song. Forevermore, 3 children sing to the baby king at the Christmas celebration. On the fifth day of Christmas, the children sang this song. King Jesus comes. Forevermore, 3 children sing to the baby king at the Christmas celebration. On the sixth day of Christmas, the children sang this song. 6 people shouted, King Jesus comes. Forevermore, 3 children sing to the baby king at the Christmas celebration. On the seventh day of Christmas, the children sang this song. 7 shepherds found him, 6 people shouted, King Jesus comes. Forevermore, 3 children sing to the baby king at the Christmas celebration. On the 8th day of Christmas, the children sang this song. 8 angels worshipped, 7 shepherds found him, 6 people shouted, King Jesus comes. Forevermore, 3 children sing to the baby king at the Christmas celebration. On the 9th day of Christmas, the children sang this song. 9 wise men followed, 8 angels worshipped, 7 shepherds found him, 6 people shouted, King Jesus comes. Forevermore, 3 children sing to the baby king at the Christmas celebration. On the 10th day of Christmas, the children sang this song. 10 stars sparkled, 9 wise men followed, 8 angels worshipped, 7 shepherds found him, 6 people shouted, King Jesus comes. Forevermore, 3 children sing to the baby king at the Christmas celebration. On the 11th day of Christmas, the children sang this song. 11 smelly stables, 10 stars sparkled, 9 wise men followed, 8 angels worshipped, 7 shepherds found him, 6 people shouted, King Jesus comes. Forevermore, 3 children sing to the baby king at the Christmas celebration. On the 12th day of Christmas, the children sang this song.